Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. At the very outset, I would like to thank the head of the Department of Arabic, Mumbai University, Dr. Muhammad Shahir, who gave me this opportunity to be amongst you and address you. All the dignitaries present on the dais and in the hall, and all my dear guests from Turkey and other countries, and my dear students. It is past 12 o'clock, and normally we would have been taking tea at this time, because the tea break was from 12 to 12:30. So I'm not going to take a lot of time. Much has been said about the honored personality, that is Allama Badiusama Saeed Nursi. I'm really very happy today, and that reminds me a couplet from Mutanabbi, who had said that today 3 Eids have gathered. Today, 3 Eids. We celebrate only one Eid at a time, but 3 Eids. And then he explains in the second line that Yawmul Eid, that is Eid, Yawmul Jummah, and Wajhul Habib, in the face of my beloved. So 3 Eids together. Today also, I have the same feelings that 3 Eids have come together. One is this international seminar on the great personality Allama Nursi. Second, the achievement of the Arabic department to organize an international seminar. Just because when you clap, I will go away. And third is, thank you. And third is meeting my very old and very good friend, Professor Faris Kaya. I met Faris Kaya a few years back, and the first meeting with him was a love at first sight. That really happens. When I was a student, I heard a couplet in Persian, Zubane Yare Man Turki wa Man Turki Namida. And I used to think that suppose I meet some Yare Turki, how I will converse. But when I met him, I made slight changes in that line. Zubane Yare Man Turki wa Inglisi bafazlillah. So there was no barrier between us. When I met him, I used to think about the meaning of his name, Faris Kaya. Faris is of course an Arabic word. I don't know whether it has a different meaning in Turkey, but Faris is the horseman who rides the horse, and horseman is always brave and believes in speed. We still use horsepower in cars. And Kaya bogged me for a long time, and then I came to know that in Hindi it means the complexion of the skin. So I connected both the words, that he is a horseman. With his speed and bravery, he is going to change the complexion of the Muslim Ummah. With his missionary zeal, in order to spread, propagate, promulgate the teachings of Allama Nursi. And I'm really very much happy and really appreciate his enthusiasm to do these works. He had told us, informed us a lot about Nursi. I think there is no need to discuss more on Allama Nursi, because we are going to listen to very valuable papers, research papers in next sessions. But the thing he said, that Allama Nursi did not have family, did not have property, even he does not have a grave. But I feel that he left two great properties. One is Rasailun Nur, and the other his students, his followers, his lovers. He united the Muslim Ummah, and today's seminar is the proof that Turkey and India, Turkey Muslims and Indian Muslims, they are together and they are just sitting to listen only one word, that is Allama Nursi's message.